what are the career options we have after 10. Hello everyone, my name is Himani Sharma. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's in this video I am going to tell you about what are the career options we have after 10. So for 10th, after 10th grade, students typically have several options to consider for further education or career path. Here are some options that you can choose after 10. So continue with higher secondary education, that is you can go for 11th or 12th standard and choose a specific stream such as science, commerce, arts depending on your interest and career goals. So you can choose in 11th and 12th standard, you can choose your stream according to your interest. So for arts and humanities, first, if you have an inclination toward arts, if you have interest in art, literature, language or social sciences, you can pursue higher education in these fields. You may opt for courses like Bachelor's in of Arts, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Bachelor of Social Work, that is BSW, etc. So now come to the next, that is commerce. If the students have interest in commerce, they can interest in business, finance, economics, you can choose the commerce stream. Commerce and they also pursue the courses like BCom, CA, that is Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, that is CS, Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. So students who have interest in commerce, they can choose these courses. So for science and technologies student who have interest in science stream, they can go for these. If you have keen interest in science, mathematics, you can opt for the science stream, pursue courses like you can go for BSc, that is Bachelor of Science, and you can also go for BTech, that is Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering, that is BE, depending on your area of interest. I told you that if you have interest in science, commerce, arts, whatever it is, so you can choose your stream according to your interest only. So for professional courses, you can also go for professional courses. For consider professional courses like Chartered Accountancy, that is CA, Company Secretary, that is CS, Cost and Management Accountancy, that is CMA, etc. If interested in commerce and finance related careers, courses like National Defense Academy, that is NDA, Indian Naval Academy, that is INA, for those interested in join the armed force. So students who have interest in these, so they can also go for that. Now for the next, that is ITI courses. So there are some ITI courses, that is Industrial Training Institute, ITS, offer courses in various trades like electrician, mechanic, welder, etc. If you have interest in ITI courses, you can go for these courses. ITI courses provide technical skills and lead to job opportunities in relevant industry. If you have interest in these area, you can go for these courses. Now come to the preparation for competitive exams. So some students have interest in competitive exams, so they can go for the professional courses like engineering, that is if they have interest in engineering, that they can go for the JEE means advanced. And the student who have interest in medical field, they can go for NEET exam. Who has interest in law, they can go for CLAT exam. So you should have prepared all these exam also. Join coaching institute or self-study to excel in these exams. Now, there are some vocational training also. Opt for vocational training program that offer skill-based education in field like plumbing, carpentry, electrician work, etc. If you have interest in these fields, you can also go for that. Vocational training can lead to immediate employment opportunity or serve as a foundation for further studies. So if there are some students who has interest in these fields, they can also go for it. Now come to the next, that is some government exam. You can also prepare for some government exam if you have interested in these exams like SSC, that is the Staff Selection Commission, UPSC, that we all already know, that Union Public Service Commission exam, Railway Recruitment Board, that is RRB, etc., which offer various job opportunity in government sector. So you can also go for these exams also. Now come to the skill development program. So for skill development program, you can also go for explore skill development program offered by government or private organization to enhance employability. So you can also go for it. Program may include soft skill training, communication skill, computer literature, etc. So you can also go for it. Now come to the entrepreneurship. So there are some students who has interest in start exploring business ideas and consider starting a small venture, so they can go for the entrepreneurship, learn about business management, finance, art to actively run a business. Now most important thing is that you should always choose a stream according to your interest and also do better in that stream also. So for important note, it's essential to access personal interest, strength, career aspiration and available resources before making a decision. So make sure that consulting with your parents, teacher, career counselor and mentor, and can also provide a valuable guidance in a choosing the right path after 10th grade. So I hope this video finds you interesting and also you have clear all your doubts regarding what should you choose after 10th. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.